Hi, today we are going to talk about the dragon fruit. We usually grow this attached to a wooden or concrete pole, and on top we affix a tire as a support. It puts out air roots to attach itself to the pole. It has a lot of thorns on its ends. Even though it is a cactus, it still loves to be watered frequently. It is a very fast grower, mostly during the warm season. Usually it flowers twice a year, and some varieties need help in pollination. As a fruit there are many colors, and the flowers are a spectacle on their own. Here we can see the flower in full bloom, and we can get a hint why it's called a dragon fruit. The flowers open mostly at night, and they are primarily pollinated by bats and bees. But some varieties need to be pollinated using a brush. This method will be shown soon. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.